I'll just kind of show you a quick example where I'm just going to open up my sample document, and I'm going to take a very simple document that needs some information redacted from it. So just to highlight it. Ultimately, I have, and again, this is just a very simple dummy document where I want to redact out some sensitive info, and I can tell it what sensitive info is I want to redact. Maybe I need to, redact out names, ages, email addresses, etc. But I want to make sure I differentiate between all islands, and in the text itself, I've got island itself. That's the place. That's not sensitive information. That's just talking about the place island. Same thing with Olivier Parry, our sort of owner, CEO. He is actually from Paris. So we talk about Paris, the place here. It's not an address, it's just a place. I don't want that redacted. I just need Olivier Parry because it's the name. That's what I want redacted. So what I'm going to do is just send these via, again, I'll send these directly. So if I open up my AI redaction, I'm basically going to say, well, again, this can be automated. All these parameters can be automated. I can say I want to black box the text to actually redact. I'm going to say I want the addresses, the names, addresses, and maybe the email addresses kind of redacted. I actually want to apply the redactions rather than just preview them. And I can select different AI models to use for that redaction. So again, this is still something that we're still qualifying. So this will evolve as we go. Select my file. I'm going to select my redaction document. You could select multiple documents if you want. Process the file. And I now have a redacted version of that document. But you'll notice the difference between non-AI and kind of just text-based, database kind of redaction is it understands the context of the words. So it's not just looking for the word island, saying that's a surname. It also recognizes that the first instance here, there's black text in the second bottom row. Paul Island is a name, but it knows that island here in the context is not a name, so it doesn't need to be redacted. Same thing here with Parry. And it's redacted out names, email addresses, and addresses here in this case.